And we are going to begin with some breaking updates coming in at this point in time from Jammu and Kashmir. And PDP Chief Mehbooba Mufti has raised serious concerns over deportation of Pakistani nationals. She has put out a post on social media platform X, and I quote, "The recent government directive to deport all Pakistani nationals from India has raised serious humanitarian concerns, particularly in Jammu and Kashmir. Many affected are women who came to India 30 to 40 years ago, married Indian citizens, raised families and have long been part of our society. We urge the government to reconsider this decision and adopt a compassionate approach regarding women, children and elderly. Deporting individuals who have lived peacefully in India for decades would not only be inhumane but would inflict deep emotional and physical distress on families who now have no other home," unquote. So this is the post by Mehbooba Mufti of the PDP. Let me straight away go across to my colleague Yawar joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Yawar, deportation of Pakistani nationals is a result of the Pahalgam carnage. It's one of the few decisions that the Indian government has taken against Pakistan as it continues to export terror. But here we have somebody from within the country who feels perhaps more strongly for Pakistani nationals and perhaps has already forgotten the Pahalgam carnage.
Well, talking about the Mehbooba's statement, which she gave with regard to the deporting of the Pakistani nationals. In fact, let me remind you that this is the first statement that came in from her after the center decided to deport the Pakistani national after the Pahalgam carnage. Now, in this post, as you mentioned, that she urged the government to reconsider and adopt the approach of compassionate for the ladies, for the elderly and the children. In fact, she went on saying that they have came here 30 to 40 years ago, have been the part of the Indian society, married the Indian people here and have a family here. And if they will be deported, this will be the distress given to them for no reason, and this will eventually be inhumane. So this is the thing, this is the statement that came in from the Mehbooba Mufti after the government has decided to deport the Pakistani nationals from across the country. Also, we have been given the understanding that many of the Pakistani nationals have been detained in the Kashmir as the government has ordered for their deportation, and some of them have defied the orders, eventually led to this further action that has went on. Now remember that this statement has been widely being witnessed as a castigation mood by the BJP all across, because the Mehbooba has termed that if they will be deported, this will be a inhuman nature. Back to you.
But the question, Yawar, really is, what happened with non-Muslims in Pahalgam? 26 innocent civilians who were mercilessly killed when they were out there on a holiday, when they were out there making memories with their families. And was that not inhuman, what happened with them? And that is the reason why questions today are being raised. As far as the statement by Mehbooba Mufti now is concerned, who is calling this act of deportation as inhuman. Yawar, request you to stay on with us. We have Kavinder Gupta of the BJP joining us on the broadcast as well. Good afternoon. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. Your first reaction to what Mehbooba Mufti of the PDP has said. She has raised concerns over deportation of Pakistani nationals.
देखिए, ये कोई नई बात नहीं है। महबूबा मुफ्ती हमेशा से पाकिस्तान का समर्थन करने आई है। तो देश में संकट है, एक डिसीजन लिया सरकार ने बैठ करके, अभी ने उस पर बात की और उसका समर्थन किया। उसके बाद जम्मू कश्मीर की असेंबली में भी स्पेशल सेशन बनवा कर भी ये बात हुई। तो अब ये अपने तरीके से बात करना चाहती है, तो जो दुश्मन है वो उसको दुश्मन समझना चाहिए, ना कि उसके साथ हमदर्दी करनी चाहिए। क्या उन्होंने हमारे पहलगाम के 26 जो लोग मारे हैं उनके साथ कोई हमदर्दी रखी थी? हैं ये उसी लाइन में आते हैं। तो मुझे लगता है कि बिल्कुल इस पर वहां पर उनके जो डिप्लोमेट्स है वो अभिनंदन की फोटो लेकर के गला काटने की बात करते हैं और इधर हम उनके लिए प्यार खिलाने की बात करते हैं। ये बिल्कुल असहनीय है। महबूबा मुफ्ती का दिल कभी भी अभी भी पाकिस्तान के लिए धड़कता है, कोई अच्छी बात नहीं है।
जी, और ये पहली बात नहीं है कविंदर गुप्ता जी, जैसे आप बता रहे हैं, पहले भी हमने महबूबा मुफ्ती की तरफ से, पीडीपी के तमाम नेताओं की तरफ से इसी तरह के बयान देखे हैं। कल अगर हम फारूक अब्दुल्ला की बात करें तो उन्होंने भी ये कहा कि अभी तक तो मैं बातचीत के बारे में कहता था पाकिस्तान के साथ, लेकिन उनका भी मन बदल गया। उन्होंने कहा पहलगाम कार्नेज के बाद जो है भारत को एक कड़ा जवाब देना चाहिए। बट दूसरी तरफ आप महबूबा मुफ्ती का ये पोस्ट देखिए जो उन्होंने सोशल मीडिया पर जान डाला है। उनका कहना है कि जो विमेन है, बच्चे हैं, एल्डरली है, खास करके उनके लिए थोड़ी सी जो है हमें ह्यूमन तरीके से उसे देखना चाहिए। तो आप क्या कहेंगे?
देखिए, युद्ध काल में ये सब चीजें सरकार पर छोड़ देनी चाहिए। सरकार जिस प्रकार का रवैया बनाएगी सभी उसके समर्थन में खड़े होना चाहिए। इनका तो पहले भी ड्यूल करेंसी और इस प्रकार की वो बातें करते हुए पाकिस्तान और हिंदुस्तान की करेंसी एक होनी चाहिए, तो ये चीजें पॉसिबल नहीं है। ये सब जमाना बदल चुका है। पाकिस्तान को अकल नहीं आती है पाकिस्तान किस प्रकार से हमारे वहां तो माइनॉरिटीज रह रही हैं उनको किस प्रकार से डील करता है।
जी कविंदर गुप्ता जी, हमने कांग्रेस पार्टी के भी कई नेताओं को देखा है, जम्मू कश्मीर के और भी कई नेताओं को देखा है जो पहलगाम कार्नेज के बाद भी बातचीत की बात कर रहे हैं और कह रहे हैं। सैफुद्दीन सोज ने तो कल कहा कि एक तरीके से क्लीन चिट दे दिया पाकिस्तान को। उन्होंने ये कहा कि जो पाकिस्तान कह रहा है तो हमें उसे मान लेना चाहिए। तो ऐसे में आपको लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं इन पार्टियों के लिए वोट बैंक ज्यादा जरूरी बन गया है दैन लुकिंग एट द इशू ऑफ नेशनल इंटरेस्ट? Kavinder Gupta ji? Okay, I think we've lost that line, but we'll try and reconnect with more leaders and get you more reactions on this big story that we are breaking for you right here on Times Now. The shocking statement, in fact, that has now come in from Mehbooba Mufti of the PDP. Let me go back to my colleague Yawar, who continues to be with us right now. Yawar, now she's not the only one. Of course, yesterday also we saw so many leaders coming in from Congress and other political parties trying to, in a way, defend Pakistan, towing this pro-Pak line. But now what Mehbooba Mufti has done is perhaps going a step even further. She's questioning, in a way, the decision that the Indian government has taken.
Well, this statement from the Mehbooba Mufti is somewhere that has, BJP widely being castigated. This statement reflects that those who are living here for the 30-40 years should not be deported. But remember, yesterday, Sagrika, there was a statement from the Dr. Farooq Abdullah, who is the one who has always been advocating talks with the Pakistan. In fact, yesterday he also went on saying that there is a time for the action, no need of talks now, because government should take an action and let them to stop these all things what they have done. So this was a change in the stance that we have witnessed in the National Conference as well, and so on, going to the National Conference allies partner, that's the Congress, though the Congress
change of heart as far as the National Conference is concerned, but PDP remains the same, no change despite this brutal attack on 26 unarmed innocent civilians. Yawar, thank you for the moment for joining us with your inputs on this story. Moving